Hey foodies, welcome back to Rashmi's Feel the Food, the place where we explore and celebrate forgotten culinary treasures. Today, I'm thrilled to share with you a recipe that's truly a blast from the past, Neeru Undlakayi. This isn't just a recipe, it's a piece of history. In the Kannada language, Neeru means water and Undlakayi refers to roundels. It's a delightful dish featuring rice balls cooked in a rich coconut paste. So let's get started. For making this Neeru Undlakayi, all you need are three main ingredients: raw rice, coconut and a bit of salt. It's a perfect blend of all these basics that makes the Neeru Undlakayi so special. Firstly, let's start by preparing the rice balls. Take 1 cup of normal dosa rice, rinse and soak it for 30 minutes. While it's soaking, grate a whole coconut. For this recipe, use a quarter portion of the grated coconut for making the rice balls and the remaining 3/4 portion for making the coconut paste. Next, grind the soaked rice with a quarter portion of the coconut and salt until it reaches a slightly coarse consistency. Transfer this mixture to a kadai and add precisely 2 cups of water, which serves both the grinding process and cleaning the jars. Cook this on medium heat until it thickens and forms a soft dough. Once cooked, allow it to cool slightly. Now take small portions of the dough and shape them into flat balls. These will be the delicious rice balls for our Neeru Undlakayi. Picture our ancestors who worked tirelessly all day in the fields, returning home late in the evenings. This is that ideal refreshing meal to soothe their hungry stomachs. In a pot, boil 3 cups of water and add salt. Carefully place the rice balls into the boiling water and cook for about 10 minutes. While the rice balls are cooking, let's prepare the coconut paste. Grind the remaining 3/4 portion of the coconut with water to make a smooth paste. Now the balls are boiling for almost 10 minutes. These are very soft and delicate. Now add the coconut paste to the pot, stir gently and let it reach the boiling point. Once it does, turn off the heat. Do not boil the coconut paste too much, it loses its taste if it is boiled excessively. Now to infuse a delightful aroma, take a freshly cleaned turmeric leaf and submerge it in the Neeru Undlakayi. Let it sit for some time, allowing the flavors to blend. Meanwhile, the coconut paste water gets thickened. And there you have it, Neeru Undlakayi, a forgotten heritage recipe brought back to life. The combination of soft rice balls and creamy coconut paste is simply irresistible. You can enjoy it as it is or pair with your favorite pickle or any side dish. This recipe can be made in different ways. Some add jaggery and make it sweet. Others create a tasty paisa with a coconut milk and dry fruits, and some make it only with the coconut milk. The one I'm sharing is the simple version without any sweetness, just a little bit of salt. Give this recipe a try and let me know how it turns out in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious journeys into the world of forgotten heritage recipes. Until next time, happy cooking. Bye.